Hello everyone, today let us take a look at this interesting question asked on the community about recording the movement of issue from one status to another status. Now if you look at this question has been asked by Sarup, and Sarup has basically uploaded this workflow image. Now if you look at the workflow here, I do have few things that I want to talk about this workflow. So basically what Sarup is saying is that whenever a transition is happening, let us say when you open and you create a new issue and you move it from one status to another status as shown in the diagram, he wants to capture the date of that transition. Now, first of all, you don't have to do it. There is something called as change history manager. So in Jira, whenever you do a change in your issue, the changes are stored along with the date. So whenever you do a change in your Jira issue, it could be any change. It could be an updation of a field or a transition. You have that information stored in the change history manager. You can go to the history tab and you can take a look at that particular information. Also, if you want to display, let us say, some of those dates separately, let us say the date when that particular transition happened, you can always use a ScriptRunner for basically capturing that particular date and displaying it somewhere else maybe. Now let me show you one example, a script that I shared long back. I think it was last year, I guess. It has been a while. So basically I did talk about doing exactly the same thing, and I uploaded one script on my GitHub repository. So let me show you the script first, and just to give you an idea about how to do it. So if you look at this script here, for let us say for an issue, it could be any issue for testing purpose. If you want to test the script, you can take a look at, let us say, you can basically run the script in the console, and you can enter any issue key. But of course, when you want to do it properly, maybe you want to use the script somewhere in the post function, for example, in case you want to do it with the help of post function. So basically what I'm trying to do here is I'm using the change history manager. And for change history manager, you just want to focus on a specific, let us say a specific field that is changing. So it could be, let us say, your status. It could be any other field. But it is not very difficult if you want to do it. I'll share the script in case you want to also do the same thing. You can also watch my video on my channel on this particular topic. Also, in case you want to share why you want to do it, then I think it will make a lot more sense, because when I look at the workflow, there are so many statuses, and I would like to know the purpose of why you want to do it, why you want to capture the date for each and every transition, because it seems like you want to do some kind of reporting. And first of all, you have too many statuses in your workflow, and I think we can definitely try to optimize it. I understand the purpose. Maybe you want to follow a process, maybe you want the issue to follow some kind of a staged life cycle where you start with something and you end up with something else. But still, I feel that by looking at the diagram, by looking at the workflow, it seems like we can definitely optimize. But when it comes to capturing the information like date, you don't have to do it. You can just use an app like ScriptRunner. And there are some other apps as well that can do the same thing for you in case you just want to do the same thing over and over again. Maybe you just want to focus on the history. But the good thing about ScriptRunner is that you can do a lot more. This is of course just one example. So that is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.